Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your account location Roblox. First, go to the Roblox app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Roblox. Then, tap on the More shown at the bottom right corner. Now, find and tap on the setting of your account. After that, select account info and scroll down. Here, try to find the option to change location option. Go back to More again and choose Help and Safety. Following that, tap on Help and scroll down to select Keep your account safe. Now, it'll give you the link by scrolling down and tapping on it. Later, add your date of birth and give your contact information. Then, enter your username, first name, and email address and confirm your email address. Next, choose the device on which you're having a problem. In the description box, you can explain your problem to get help. You can explain in words such as you're facing a geographical issues on Roblox. Here, explain that you're from current location and previous set it to there. But your location has currently shifted to abroad at the location you want. Kindly help you with the issues as soon as possible. In the end, simply hit the confirm button to report the problem. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.